Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Looking to take your training to the next level? Flexed biceps want a high-quality protein that fuels recovery and builds serious muscle. Introducing BioX Power Whey Complex, your ultimate workout partner. Power Whey Complex is a premium high-protein blend designed for athletes, bodybuilders, and fitness enthusiasts who demand the best. Each serving delivers up to 25 to 27 grams of protein, helping you build lean muscle mass and support rapid recovery after every workout. Combining whey protein concentrate, isolate, and hydrolysate, this blend ensures fast absorption, steady amino acid release, and maximum results. Say goodbye to clumps. BioX Power Whey mixes instantly in water or milk, smooth, creamy, and delicious every time. Whether you're into chocolate fudge brownie, vanilla ice cream, or cookies and cream, BioX delivers taste that makes you look forward to every shake. Naturally high in branched chain amino acids BCAAs and essential amino acids EAs, perfect for muscle recovery and performance. Designed to support lean gains without the unnecessary fillers. Just mix 1 scoop with 200 to 250 milliliters of cold water or milk, shake it up, and you are good to go. Use it post-workout, between meals, or anytime you need a protein boost. BioX Power Whey Complex is made with CGMP certified manufacturing, lab-tested purity and zero-band substances, so you can trust what's in your scoop. Whether you are cutting, bulking, or just staying fit, BioX Power Whey Complex helps you recover faster, grow stronger, and push harder. Ready to level up your gains? Click the link below to grab your tub of BioX Power Whey Complex now and feel the difference in every scoop. BioX Power Whey Complex, fuel your power. Max your performance.